the fight that defines you. What if the toughest battle you'll ever fight isn't in the boardroom, on the gridiron, or trending on X? It's against yourself. In the quiet corners of your mind, fear, doubt, and the seductive pull of comfort wage a silent war, holding you back from the life you're meant to live. But here's the truth, America. In just 5 minutes a day, you can fight back. One small, bold step at a time. This isn't about fame or fortune, it's about who you become. So, are you ready to step into the arena and claim your victory? 1. Comfort is the silent dream killer. Comfort feels like a warm blanket, but it's a trap. It whispers, "Stay put, play it safe," while your ambitions slip away. From Silicon Valley to Main Street, the life you dream of, whether it's starting a business, running a marathon, or writing that novel, lies just beyond your comfort zone. Why we stay stuck? Your brain craves safety, a holdover from our caveman days. But in 2025, safe often means settling for less. Break free. Take one small, bold action today. Email that contact, sign up for that class, or hit the gym. Use Mel Robbins' 5-second rule. Count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then move. See discomfort as a sign you're growing, not failing. Challenge. What's one thing you've been dodging? Commit to doing it today. 2. Resilience forges champions. Life will knock you down hard. From the Rust Belt to the bright lights of Hollywood, what defines you is whether you get back up. Simone Biles took a stand for her mental health at the Tokyo Olympics, then roared back to win gold in Paris 2024. Oprah Winfrey was told she wasn't fit for TV and built a media empire. Resilience equals grit plus purpose plus adaptability. Build it. Reframe failures as lessons. What's the takeaway? Surround yourself with people who lift you up, not drag you down. Prioritize self-care. Sleep, exercise, and mindfulness fuel your comeback. Rack up small wins to build momentum. Challenge. Think of a recent setback. What did it teach you? How will you use that lesson this week? 3. Goals turn dreams into reality. Dreams are the spark. Goals are the roadmap. Without them, you're just drifting. Whether you're in a New York high-rise or a Texas ranch, clear goals turn someday into today. Set goals that are specific. I'll save $5,000 for a startup by June. Measurable. Track progress weekly. Time-bound. Set a deadline. Actionable. Break it into small steps. Example. Instead of, "I want to get fit," try, "I'll jog 20 minutes 3 times a week for 2 months." Challenge. Write one clear goal. Take one tiny step toward it today. Schedule it now. 4. Self-belief ignites your drive. Doubt is a universal enemy, whether you're pitching in Silicon Valley or teaching in Chicago. Your greatest weapon? Belief in your ability to grow. Not arrogance, but quiet confidence. Build self-belief. Keep promises to yourself. Start small, like a daily 10-minute walk. Celebrate every win, no matter how small. Challenge negative thoughts. Write them down. Then counter with evidence. Find your tribe, mentors, friends, or online communities like Reddit's r/getmotivated. Challenge. Name one doubt holding you back. Write 3 reasons it's wrong and share them with a friend. 5. Passion fuels the long haul. Motivation comes and goes. Passion endures. It's what keeps you grinding when the odds are stacked against you. In the heart of America, passion drives inventors in garages, artists in lofts, and teachers in classrooms. Find your passion. What would you do even if you weren't paid? What makes hours feel like minutes? What problem do you need to solve? Protect it. Guard your time like a treasure. Say no to distractions. Stay inspired. Read, watch, or listen to what fuels you. Embrace your obsession. It's your superpower. Challenge. What lights you up? Schedule 30 minutes this week to dive into it. 6. Failure is your greatest teacher. Failure isn't a dead end. It's a detour to success. Thomas Edison's 1,000 failed attempts birthed the light bulb. LeBron James missed 1,000 shots before becoming a legend. Across America, every innovator, athlete, and dreamer has stumbled and risen. Learn from failure. Ask, what can I improve? Adjust your approach based on feedback. Share your story. Vulnerability inspires others. Keep moving, one step at a time. Challenge. Reflect on a recent failure. What's one lesson it taught you? Act on it today. Your battle plan success isn't a viral moment or a lucky break, it's daily discipline. Here's how to win the inner war. Clarity. Define one specific goal that matters to you. Action. Take one small step every day, no excuses. Discomfort. Embrace it as proof you're growing. Belief. Be your own cheerleader even when it's tough. Resilience. Expect setbacks and rise stronger. Learning. Turn every stumble into a stepping stone. Community. Find your people, mentors, peers, or apps like Masterclass. Bring it. Morning. Set one intention for the day. For example, I'll tackle one task I've avoided. Night. Reflect. What went well? What can improve? Weekly. Check in with an accountability partner or friend, coach, or online group. Always cut one distraction. Unfollow that time sink account on X. You're not alone. No one succeeds solo. From the Bay Area to the Bible Belt, community fuels progress. Join a local group, find a mentor, or connect online. Reddit, Discord, or goal tracking apps like Habitica can keep you on track. Your final challenge. This isn't just words, it's your wake-up call. America thrives on dreamers who do. Take charge. Pick one meaningful goal, list 3 small actions for this week, share your goal with someone who will hold you accountable. Take the first step today. The fight is yours. You don't need more time, money, or permission. You need to decide, will you let fear call the shots, or will you fight for the life you're meant to live? From sea to shining sea, your choices write your story. So take that next step, then another. Keep fighting, because the future is yours to shape. What's your next move? Write it down. Share it. Do it.